I've been thinking a lot lately about fire hydrants and other visible infrastructure. There's not that much infrastructure when it comes to utilities that's visible. I mean, maybe power lines overhead, but a lot of times they're underground. So it might be water valves, maintenance holes, storm drain inlets. And I think a lot of people don't really even know what the different infrastructure does or understand that most of the infrastructure is underground and the importance of maintaining it. I mean, this fire hydrant probably needs to be painted. And I think typically we think of fire hydrants as being red or maybe yellow, but communities can choose whatever color they want the fire hydrants to be. And I think most homeowners might be happy to have a fire hydrant within a certain distance so that they can get possibly a discount on their homeowner's insurance. Looks like somebody's going to be doing some surveying here. Yeah, so there's a maintenance hole here, but again, I don't think people really think too much about it, and that it means, okay, it's sanitary sewer. There's sewer running under the street, serving all of these residences. And drivers, when it comes to fire hydrants, I think drivers probably don't like them because you can't park within a certain distance of fire hydrants. I can't even remember what it is. I guess it's been a while since I took a driver's test, but usually it's might be painted. We've got another one, white one up here that looks like it's in a little bit better condition. But the other thing with fire hydrants is, I mean, when we design water systems, we follow standards and required spacing and criteria and use standard details, but maybe don't even really think about fire hydrants are kind of a backbone of the system. They're there for firefighting, which is really important, but they're also there for other things like flushing out the system just for regular cleaning, periodic maintenance, or if there's a water quality issue. And when it comes to water distribution system modeling, when we calibrate models, which can be really important, especially to pinpoint what's causing pressure issues or other system issues. Fire hydrants are really invaluable because they can be used for flow testing. Yeah, and so here's another sanitary sewer manhole. So kind of looks like it's running in the street. But just in general, and it does look like some surveying is going to be done, most people don't think about everything that's under the street unless maybe they're a civil engineer who designs utilities or roadways. But it's pretty amazing. And then even trees, which I'm not walking by any now, but street trees are part of that. There's the underground root system, and in general, we don't allow enough space for the roots to fully and healthily develop in the root system. So this block is really interesting. We've got 3 fire hydrants, so they're very good coverage, probably spaced closer than is absolutely needed. But it makes sense to have them at the corners of the road. Now I just really want to see what else. Not sure what that is. Oh, that's just trash. So water valve. Surveying monument. Another sanitary sewer maintenance hole. Yeah, I don't see any storm drain here. It looks like drainage is just by sheet flow down to the lower areas where there was the inlet, and it probably drains into the adjacent creek. But yeah, and it's interesting. It's that principle of once you notice something, you can't stop noticing it. I've just been seeing fire hydrants everywhere, which I think is good for public safety and just the health of our water systems, and to make it a lot easier on maintenance teams everywhere.